Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is multiplying monomials. Okay, so multiplication of monomials. So explore tayo. X cubed times x to the fourth power. So, ang rule natin dito, so first, i-expand natin yung x cube. So, ibig sabihin ng x cube, that long x. X times x times x. Tapos, yung next niya is apat na x. Okay? X times x times x times x. So, take note, factors are numbers or variables multiplied together to form a product. So this is equal to ilang x ba yan? 7. Diba? So, therefore, this is equal to x raised to the power of 7. Kung bilangin mo yung x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so i-combine natin yung factors. So, that is equal to x raised to the power of 7. So, do the expression have the same base? Yes, yung base nila is x, the same. Okay? So, what happened to the exponent? So, ano nangyayari sa exponent kapag the same base yung i-multiply natin? So, kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the same base, so, ang mangyayari sa exponent, so, we have to add the exponent. So, 3 plus 4 is 7. Another example, so, x raised to the power of 4 times y to the 6th power. Take note, hindi sila pareho ng base. Diba? Hindi sila pareho ng base. So, try natin i-expand yung x to the 4th power. 4 na x yan. At saka yung y to the 6th power, 6 na y yan. Okay? So, hindi sila pareho. So, hindi natin sila pwede i-add. So, ang mangyayari dyan, i-combine lang natin yan lahat. So, x to the 4th power, y to the 6th power. Yan lang po yung final answer niya. Hindi natin sila pwede i-add yung 4 at saka 6 kasi magkaiba yung base nila. So, do the expression have the same base? No. Of course, magkaiba sila x and y. So, what happened to the exponent? Sige, of course, i-copy na lang, kopyahin na lang natin yung kanilang exponent. Huwag natin i-add. Okay, so derive rule tayo. So, x raised to the power of m times x raised to the power of n. So, that is equal to x raised to the power of m plus n. So, add the exponent. Yan ang product rule. So, this rule only works if the bases are the same. So, hindi sila pwede mag-work kapag hindi pareho. So, kung hindi pareho, hindi sila pwede i-add. Okay? So, example, both are x or both are a. So, kapag hindi pareho ang base, so wag nating i-add. Okay, examples tayo. Find the product of the following monomials. So, number 1, 8 raised to the power of 8 times x raised to the power of 2 or x squared. So, again, i-add natin yung exponent kasi the same base yan. So, x raised to the power of 10. Ayan. Number 2, a squared times a cubed. So, the same base pa rin. So, we have to add the exponent. So, the final answer is a to the 5th power. Number 3, 2 raised to the power of 2 or 2 squared times 2 5th or 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay? Or 2 to the 5th power. 2 5th noon, sorry. 2 to the 5th power or 2 raised to the power of 5. So, the same base na 2, kopyahin natin yung 2, then add natin yung exponent, 2 plus 5 is 7. So, 2 raised to the power of 7. Pwede mong i-simplify yan. Multiply mo si 2 7 times. Okay? Number 4, y raised to the power of 4 times y. So, the same base. Then, take note, si y, yung isa, mayroong exponent ng 1 dyan. Okay? So, therefore, the final answer is y to the 5th power. Okay, dito sa number 5. X, the quantity of x squared, xy squared times the quantity of x squared y times the quantity of xy. So, ang gagawin natin dito, lahat ng exponent ni y, i-combine natin or i-add natin. So, sa first x, merong 1 exponent yan. Next 2, next 1. Okay, so x raised to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 1. Yung y naman, 2 plus 1 plus 1. So, final answer, ang bilangin natin yung exponent ni x is x raised to the power of 4, then y raised to the power of 4. So, yan po ang final answer sa number 5. Number 6. Okay, the quantity of 9x cubed y to the fourth power times 4x squared y cubed. Okay, so we have to multiply first the numerical coefficient. Okay, yan. So, 9 times 4. So, tatlong x, tapos nagdagan ng dalawang x. So, 5 lahat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos yung y, 4 plus 3, so 7. So, multiply muna natin yung numerical coefficient na 9 times 4 is 36. Tapos, bilangin natin yung x, 5 lahat, yung y, 7 lahat. So, 36x to the 5th power, y to the 7th power. Okay? So, multiply the numerical coefficient. Okay, number 7. Negative 5x cubed, or the quantity of negative 5x cubed y squared times the quantity of 3x cubed y to the 4th power. So, multiply natin yung numerical. Negative 5 times 3, that is 15. Di ba? Then, yung x cubed, add natin yung exponent nila. So, 3 plus 3 is 6. Then, y raised to the power of 2. Tapos, yung isang y raised to the power of 4. So, add natin yan. 2 plus 4 is 6. So, final answer is negative 15 x to the 6th power, y to the 6th power. Number 8. Okay, so negative, or the quantity of negative 6a cubed b c to the 4th power times the quantity of negative 3a b c d. Okay, so of course, yung numerical coefficient, multiply natin yan. Negative 6 times negative 3. Take note, the same sign. So kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. So negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. Tapos yung a, add natin yan, 3 plus 1, so 4th power. Yung b naman, add natin, so squared. Si c naman, i-add natin yan, 4 plus 1, so 5th power. Tapos kopyahin natin yung d, siya lang mag-isa. So final answer is 18, or positive 18, a to the 4th power, b squared, c to the 4th power, c to the 5th power, d. Okay? So, next topic na naman yan. At hanggang dito na lang yung topic natin. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless.